Hi, so if you are a teenager and somehow found this video today, I want you to sit down for a few minutes and just listen to me. Not because I'm older than you or because I have figured life out. No, I haven't, trust me. But over the last few years, I have made mistakes, gotten attached to the wrong people, cared too much about what others thought, compared myself to strangers on the internet, and learned some lessons the hard way. And even if one thing I say today helps you avoid little bit of that pain, then this video was worth making. So here's everything I wish someone told me when I was a teenager. First, your appearance is not your biggest asset. When you are a teenager, it can feel like that your entire worth is based on how you actually look. You compare yourself to people at school, people on Instagram, influencers, and suddenly you start to notice everything that you dislike about yourself. Maybe it's your skin, your weight, your hair, or maybe some things that other people don't even notice. But what I've realized is the most unforgettable people that I've ever met were not the prettiest people in the room. They were the most confident, kind, empathetic, and passionate. Years from now, nobody is going to remember whether your nose was imperfect or whether you had a clear skin. People actually remember how you made them feel. They remember your energy, your confidence when you are kind to them. Don't spend your teenage years trying to become beautiful enough to deserve happiness. You already deserve happiness right now. Second, stop waiting to become confident before you start. For the longest time, I actually used to thought that people are born with confidence. Like they're naturally fearless. I thought they never doubted themselves and they were never really nervous. But that's not true. Confidence comes after action. The people you admire were scared too. They just decided to do things anyway. If you're waiting until you are completely confident to start that YouTube channel or actually take up that opportunity, join that competition or pursue that dream, you will actually be waiting forever. Every confident person you know is once a beginner. Every successful person was actually once inexperienced. You don't become confident, then take action. You take action and then you become confident. Third, not every friendship is meant to last forever. This lesson was actually a little difficult for me to understand, but as I always say, some people are meant to be chapters, not the entire book. And that's totally okay. When we're younger, we actually think that our current friends are going to last forever. If you remember, everyone in their childhood have probably made a best friends forever group chat. But you probably would not be even friends with them right now. That's because life does not always work that way. People change, their priorities change, your interest changes sometimes. Sometimes friendships end because of a fight, but sometimes they simply end because you have outgrown each other. And that's totally normal. You don't have to force yourself to stay connected with people who constantly make you feel unimportant, insecure, exhausted, and God knows what not. The quality of your friendship matters so much more than the quantity of your friendship. One genuine friend is worth than 10 fake ones. Choose people who support your growth instead of competing with it. Fourth, never lose yourself over a crush or a relationship. I know this is probably a advice most teenagers don't want to listen, but please hear me out. Having a crush can be exciting, liking someone can be amazing, but please don't make another person the center of your world. Don't spend all day checking a phone waiting for their text. Don't change your personality thinking that they will like you more. Don't give up on your dreams, hobbies, passion, goals, friendships because you are just obsessed with that person. If someone actually likes you, they will like your real version as well. The moment you start to abandon yourself to keep someone else interested, that is the moment that you begin to lose your own self respect. Relationships come and go, but your relationship with yourself stays forever. Please protect it. Fifth, social media is not real life. This is something I wish every teenager actually understood. Social media shows highlights. That's it. People post their vacation, not their breakdowns while going there. their achievements and not the failure, the glow ups and not the insecurities behind it. You are actually seeing very carefully selected moments from someone's life and comparing that to your own reality. Of course, you are going to feel behind then, but the actual truth is that everyone has struggles. Everyone have insecurities and actually everyone feel lost at times. The person you are jealous of probably has more problems than you don't even know about. Don't let social media convince you that everyone has life figured out and you are struggling. Most people are also figuring it out as they go, like you. Sixth, start building your future now. One thing that I've learned is that time moves so fast. It feels like you'll have forever to start that dream, forever to learn that skill or to chase that goal, but suddenly years pass. If there's something that you always wanted to try, start now. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need expensive equipments. You actually don't need everyone else's approval. You just need to begin, and this is your sign. Whether it's content creation, sports, writing, photography, business, public speaking, or anything for that matter. Give yourself permission to be a beginner. Every expert was actually terrible at something they did and they just became better. Because the difference is they kept going. Seventh, learn to enjoy your own company. One of the most powerful things as a teenager you learn is how to be comfortable alone. Not lonely, alone. There's a difference, okay? Being comfortable alone means not taking constant validation from other people. It means being able to spend time with yourself without feeling empty. It means knowing who you are actually outside of your friendships, relationships, and your social life. Because when you are comfortable with yourself, you stop accepting people who treat you poorly just because you are afraid of being alone. The strongest people I know are not the ones who are surrounded by thousands of people. They are the ones who know how to stand on their own. Eighth and the last point is stop putting pressure on yourself to have everything figured out. This is probably the most important thing I need to tell you. You're not supposed to have your entire life planned out at 16, 17, 18, or maybe 20 for that matter. It's okay to be confused. It's okay to change your mind. It's absolutely okay if your dream career changes and if you're still figuring it all out. Life isn't a race. You don't get extra points for actually having everything figured out before everyone else. Give yourself permission to grow, to make mistakes, and actually to be a beginner. Because at the end of the day, nobody really knows what they're actually doing. We are all learning as we go. And if nobody has told you this recently, I'm going to tell you this right now. You have so much time, more time than you think, more opportunities than you realize, and more potential than you currently see. So stop doubting yourself, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Go try new things, take risks, and make mistakes. Create memories and build a life you're actually proud of. Because one day you'll look back at these years and realize they were actually never about being perfect. They were just about becoming you. And that's a journey worth enjoying. So that is it for today's video and I hope you guys resonated with it. If you did so, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.